Hey everyone, J3B here at a park today, gonna do some metal detecting. Behind me is a swing set with Sharon on it. And before people get here, I'm gonna detect that sand area. Wish me luck. Okay everyone, I got Sharon with me. This is our first signal. She's gonna see what it is. So it was right around here. First signal of the day, a paper clip. But good job, Sharon. You gonna say hi or you gonna stab the ground? Okay guys, one of our first signals of the day. Found a quarter. 2010. Just clad. But hey, it's a good start. Oh, beautiful day out. Sun shining. Birds chirping. Not a bad breeze. A little on the warm side today. They said it was going to get very humid. But I'm just glad to be out, being able to detect. I got the day off today. Nothing better than having a day off and detecting. Hoping I find something good for you guys. Oh, it's been crazy busy at work. We're a little bit short-staffed. So it's been hectic. I've been helping all the housekeepers do the cleaning and stuff they need to do. It might get bright in a second, guys. I'm about to go back into the sun. Hoping while I'm talking to you I get a nice signal and we can do a live dig together. Oop. You guys hear it? Oh, let's switch the camera around and do this live. Get out the old bin pointer. Down there deep. My luck's just gonna be a piece of pop can or something. What do you guys think it is? Trash or treasure? Me, I think it's trash. I can somewhat see it, I can feel it, and I think it's just pop can. Well, I'll try to dig it up anyways. Oh, I don't think it's a piece of pop can, but I'm not quite sure what it is. Trash. Well, let's keep going and see what we find. Well, I have to say, this is one of the most random things I've found while metal detecting. Almost usable too. Let's get back to it. Okay everybody, so Sharon found this signal. I cut the plug and then she dug up what was in there. Check out what she found. Not a clue what it is. But it's pretty neat. And guess what? Sean's here. Metal detecting with his new machine. We'll go see him in a bit. But yeah, we're going to get back to digging and see what else we can find. Well guys, at the rate I'm going, I might find a whole bike soon. Got a reflector, got a bar off like a spoke or something, and now a kickstand. Let's keep digging, see if we find the rest of the bike. Well, something's happening somewhere. Okay guys, I gotta say I'm excited. I got a buckle. Look at that, it's been so long since I've gotten a buckle. Right on, right on. Hey Sharon. Buckle!
What?
Yeah, I'm excited. I gotta go over and show Sean. He's gonna love this. See you in a few.
Penny.
Penny? Right on. An old one?
I doubt it, but no. In the 80s.
Yeah? Ah, a penny's a penny. Hey guys, found a nickel. Looks kind of old. 1966. Right on. Let's see if there's anything else. Nope, that was it. Let's keep digging. Hey guys, look what I found. That's one of the finger presses for a fidget spinner. That's the closest I've come to finding a fidget spinner while metal detecting. Still pretty cool, I like the color. Let's see what else is out here. Hey guys, not a clue what this is, but I'll tell you, it's cool. Kind of looks like a spoon and a nail all rolled into one. But my little helper Sharon, she loves cleaning all our stuff. You should see the job she did on our buckle. She has a little toothbrush and she cleans it all up. Toothbrush.
I use the bottom for the corroded stuff.
Okay, so we're going to get her to give us a cleanup and we'll see it in the wrap-up.
I think it's a penny. Beer cap.
Beer cap? Is it at least a nice one?
Yeah, beer
You
cap.
found something. I can hear very low pitched squeals.
Right on, right on. Got myself a little spill. 89 quarter. $19.78 quarter. And a 1987 loonie. That's the first year. That's actually in really good shape for being out of the ground. Oh, never mind. I spoke too soon. One side's really nice. But nothing like a spill. Oh yeah. Let's keep digging. Pop can. Just for a pop tab.
But pop tabs are gold, man. If you don't dig pop tabs, you ain't gonna dig gold.
Yep.
When that guy got that class ring, he brought it over to me, threw it on the ground, threw a pop tab beside it. I swept it, and I could not tell the difference. There was no difference.
So guys, remember, dig those pop tabs.
Oh yeah, pop tabs, tinfoil. I dig tinfoil too. That's small gold,
Yeah.
right?
Hey everyone. So I decided to do a wrap up. Sean's still out in the field detecting. But this is our trash. Got the kickstand, bike reflector, some type of bar off it. Lots of trash. Lots of trash. But we did find a dinosaur. we'll get on to the good stuff. This here, I think it might be a latch off a gate, like you put your thumb on it, lift it, unlocks. Not sure, I'm going to clean it up and do some research. It does have a little groove for your finger or something. And then there's our buckle. If anybody can ID that buckle for a time period, let me know. Looks old, but not too old. I'm still very, very excited. Found our fidget spinner. I keep putting my finger in front of the lens. Sorry, guys. Fidget spinner piece. And then our clad. Some pennies, nickels, dimes, 2 loonies, lots of quarters. I am getting rained on. Guys, it is literally just starting to rain, so I'm going to have to cut this short. I still want to find out what this is. If anybody knows, leave a message in the comments. But yeah, this is it. Sharon's here with me. We're going to get going. So yeah, we had a blast. And I found a buckle. I'm super excited.
The sky is peeing on me.
Take it easy, guys. Happy hunting, and God bless.